Yo, what's up? Welcome to Noah's Frying Pan. Today we're going to be making an epic drink. Try this at your own risk. Let's get mixing.
We're going to start by adding our hydroxypropane tribiotic acid.
And then let's add
our tricalcium diphosphate.
This one right here. And then I think we're going to add our monoxide in. And we'll add it here, just like this. And sodium chloride, just like this. Just a little bit. Yeah. And of course, we got to add our ascorbic acid. I mean, can't go without ascorbic acid. And
then we'll add our C18H14 into Na2O8S2.
And then we'll add our butylated hydroxypropane systematic. That would be this right here. Just like that. And then of course we're going to add our 2,3,4 dextrose 2,5 biqn 2y 2 oxane 3,4,5 trohane. Just like this. Pretty important. And then we're going to add our dihydrogen monoxide. Just like this. Stir this. Nice and easy. Want to do it slow so they don't react. Just like this. Just like this. Nice and easy. Nice and slow. Now if you see, we're turning pink. That's the exact color you want. If you don't get pink, you did something wrong. You really did something wrong. So let's give it a try, just for fun. This should be perfect. Just what I expected. Thanks for watching the video. Recipes in the description. Check out the videos. Subscribe in the middle. Those will be coming. See you for the next video.